My name's Leanne Wood. I'm the leader of Plaid Cymru, the Party of Wales. I'm a graduate of the University of South Wales, and I'm a frequent visitor, and I return to be involved in a number of different volunteering opportunities. I was delighted to be nominated for the category of Welsh Life and Culture. It's always good to be recognised by having an award, but it is particularly pleasing to be recognised by my former university. Well, my involvement with the University of South Wales, or the University of Glamorgan, or even the Polytechnic of Wales as it was when I first started there, was a really empowering experience, and I had the opportunity to meet some really good women lecturers and supportive men lecturers as well. But it's always seemed to be a staff team where they supported each other, and in my political life I try to employ similar tactics, if you like, and I think it's important that as women we need to just be aware that we face various challenges and barriers and obstacles in life, and if we can help each other to overcome them, then we're all stronger as a result of that. So the Women's Empowerment Programme with Dr. Louise Bright is a great opportunity to give something back to the university that has given me such a high level of empowerment. And I would say to anybody really who's been through the University of South Wales, if there is a way that you can contribute back and give your volunteering services, then do it, because there's a lot to be gained for yourself out of doing so.